Today guys, we're going to be making my famous blackberry creamy cake filling. Yeah, so I'm making a playlist for you guys about cake fillings, different types and different techniques, so stay tuned. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so recently I started a series on different frostings and fillings, and today we're going to be making a very delicious frosting. No, filling. It can be used as a frosting and also as a filling. So let's get started, guys. It is delicious, and you. So look at this glorious blackberry compote. See how nice and luscious it is. Like, it is so thick and just absolutely wonderful. Okay, so today guys, I'm going to be showing you how I make my my blackberry creamy cake filling. Yes, so I'm going to be using my blackberry compote. So if you want to know how I make my blackberry compote, it has only 3 ingredients in it, and it is very delicious, and it's made of organic blackberries, and it is wonderful. It's wonderful for my customers, and they love it. Okay, so you should check the link right up here. It says click on me. I left a link here for you to see how I make that. Okay, so let's convert this into a creamy cake filling. So for this recipe today, you're going to be needing 250 grams of white chocolate. So it's important for you to know that the better the quality of the white chocolate, the better the taste of your filling. Yes, so I prefer to use between 25 to 33% white chocolate, because white chocolate is kind of like dark chocolate that is very, I don't know, like if it's of bad quality, you're going to taste it almost immediately. Okay, so to that you're going to be needing 100 grams of heavy cream, and you want to use full fat heavy cream, between 30 to 33% heavy cream. So you're going to pour it into your white chocolate, and then we're going to put that inside the microwave for about maybe 45 seconds at a time until it is completely melted. Okay, so guys, if you sell cakes, or maybe you don't sell cakes, you just want to know how to make a nice filling for a cake, this is a perfect video for you. And if you sell cakes and maybe you just want to learn how to do more stuff cake wise, like you want to up your caking skills, then this channel is for you. I have almost 300 videos right now, and I post every day, guys. Like, I have amazing videos for you on how to do different things. If you're a beginner, if you're an intermediate, or even if you're an expert, I have some tutorials for you guys. Like, even if you're an expert, I have like the easiest way for you to do the most complicated cake work. Awesome, guys. So you should make sure you subscribe to this channel and like give me a thumbs up, or like turn on the bell post notifications, so that when I post you get notified and see what I post first, so you can check it out. Okay, so now I'm trying to melt my white chocolate with my cream. This is basically forming a ganache with a ratio of like 2.5 to 1 basically. So now that we have our ganache, if you notice there's still lumps in it, but I'm not putting it back in the microwave, because it is not the heat that actually melts your chocolate, it is the agitation that melts it. So you don't want to put it back in the microwave because it will easily burn. Okay, so what you want to do is take 2 teaspoonfuls of your blackberry compote and then put it in your mixture and then stir. Yeah, so this is going to make your mixture a little bit more runny, but don't worry, like, is there anything like, is that good English? More runnier, whatever. So you just want to stir it together, and then you're going to have this beautiful color. Like, it's amazing. See how really beautiful it is? Yeah. Okay, well, this is not the consistency we want, because we want a consistency, because when you're using the cake filling, you want it to be thick enough for it to hold, so that when your customers cut your cake, they can see the demarcation between the buttercream and your filling. Yeah. And at the same time, you don't want it to be runny, so like it doesn't absorb into your cake. You want it to be thick enough to hold itself and not be runny or be slippery, so it doesn't make your cake slide off. Like, it doesn't make the layers of your cake slide in different directions. So I'm going to show you how to get that consistency today. So once you're done, you want to take your mixture and transfer it into a bowl, and then you're going to cover it with a cling film. The reason why you're covering with a cling film is so that it won't form a film on top, because it can easily form a film on top, and you don't want that. So cover it with a cling film, and then you're going to leave it on your kitchen counter at room temperature until it completely cools down. You don't have to put it in the fridge or anything, because like, the fridge has a higher temperature, like a lower temperature, sorry. You want to leave it at room temperature, so you can get the temperature of basically normal temperature, so that when your cake is at room temperature, it will be like at that consistency. I don't know if that makes sense. So you want to cover it and just leave it on your kitchen counter till it's cooled and stuff. So most times I like to leave it overnight because I like to make this in batches, because in like large batches I don't like to work and then like every time I want to make a cake then I'm making a filling. I don't exactly like that, so I like to like make them in batches and store them. Okay, so the next thing you want to do at this point, yes, see the consistency. You can also use it at this point. Yeah, this is a really great consistency for your cakes, especially if you're going to be using it as a frosting. But I'm going to be using it as a filling today, so we're going to transfer it into a different bowl that is bigger, and then we are going to whip. The reason why you're whipping is because whipping like kind of aerates it, like, you know, put air bubbles into it, so it is a little bit more, you know, runny, not runny, but like it is fluffy. Yes, it's lighter and fluffier, so it's of a better consistency, like, you know, the consistency you want, that is ideal for a cake filling. So now we are going to whip. Okay, so you don't want to whip for more than maybe 2 to 3 minutes, should be okay, depending on what kind of mixer you're using. So today I'm going to be using my hand mixer, and this is my Kenwood hand mixer. Like, this mixer is amazing. If you are used to my channel, you know I love Kenwood products. Like, I can swear by them. Like, Kenwood is, I don't know. So if you're looking to buy a cake mixer, maybe a hand mixer or a stand mixer, whatever it is you're looking to buy, I have several videos for you to guide you. So I'm going to put a link right up here. I did a review for my Kenwood stand mixer, like a 6-year review for my Kenwood stand mixer, so you should watch that, so maybe you can be better informed. And aside that, I have like other reviews for the Keylip stand mixer, the Kenwood stand mixer, and also this hand mixer on my channel. So, and also I have a list of mixers you should buy if maybe you're looking to start a cake business. Basically, like, this channel is loaded. I have awesome things for you, whether you're a beginner, an intermediate, or, you know, maybe even an expert. Like, I have amazing content for you right here, and I post every day. So, like, okay, when I was blabbing, I added some salt, so you want to add some salt, because I feel like the salt balances out the sweetness in your filling or in your frosting. Basically, I add salt to everything. It balances shit out for you, basically. Okay, so I think it is whipped to the consistency I want at this point, and see how nice and smooth it is. Yeah, so I'm going to take a spatula and stir it and kind of bring it together so you guys can see how perfect it looks. See how nice this is. Like, it's so nice, and it is very nice, like very delicious. Anyway, so if you want to see how I make my other cake fillings, I have a playlist for you guys. I already created a playlist of cake fillings for you in case you want something like that. You can check it. I'm going to leave a link right up here. It says click on me. Yeah, click on that. And I have this amazing cake filling that is made out of powdered milk, like evaporated powdered milk. Like, it is amazing. Like, you can check that out too, because I have like a bunch of them for you guys to check out and see which one you prefer. So thank you guys so much for always watching my videos. Thank you for always indulging me. Yeah, and thank you for always listening to all of my blabbing and stuff. Thank you guys so much. And see the consistency of this filling. Like, it's not just delicious. Yeah, it's delicious just by watching it. Okay, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in my future videos. Bye.